Hello everyone, I am Dr. Prashant BN, Fest Convener of Aarohan 12th edition, the annual Science Fest of Amrita Vishwavidyapeetham, Bengaluru. So Amrita has always been at its front in the field of engineering and technology, inspiring young minds to think, create and lead for purpose. Aarohan is a celebration of science, creativity and innovation for the school students starting from 8th to 10th coming under junior category and 11th and 12th students coming under senior category. So students can here witness the exhibits and displays from various defense organizations such as Indian Army, Navy, Air Force and Bharat Electronics. So students can also participate in various engaging events such as competitions, workshops, fun events and a project exhibition. Participation is absolutely free and the winners receives a cash prize of 2 lakhs rupees and an overall championship trophy for the best performing school. We welcome you for Aarohan 2025. See you all at Aarohan 2025 where imagination meets innovation. Thank you.